Hi everyone, my name is Zina Kadhim. This video is a brief introduction to my academic design experience, focusing on my work in ARC501 and how that process informs my goals for the semester. This project I'm reflecting on my community courtyard housing project in Boyle Heights. It challenged me to think of housing not as an isolated object, but as a social framework that supports everyday life and shared space. One of the strengths that became clear in this project was my focus on spatial sequencing. So I spend a lot of time thinking about how people move through courtyard, thresholds, and circulation, and how the transitions from public to semi-public to private space could encourage interaction rather than just movement. At the same time, this project revealed a limitation in my process. I often delayed committing to structural and organizational systems, refining form and special ideas before fully resolving how the building worked as a system. This led to some decisions happening later than they should have, which affected overall clarity. Looking back, the project achieved strong spatial intentions, but it also made me aware that earlier commitments would have strengthened the final outcome. If I were to revisit the project, I would define it clearer, concentrate earlier, and allow them to guide the design process. This studio clarified how I learn as a designer. I'm an iterative and diagram driven thinker, which helps me to explore spatial ideas deeply, but it also requires discipline to avoid over iteration and delayed decisions. Now moving into ARC 502, my main goal is to commit earlier to structure and systems and let concentrate drive form. And I wanted to integrate concept, spatial experience, and technical clarity from the beginning rather than resolving them separately. Thank you.